So good day. Today we'll introduce our products. It's the 16.5-inch outdoor LCD display, and you can see it's very high and with the waterproof and with the tempered glass here, and with the 2000 brightness, and also this one with the Android system. And we can go back to the setting to see the detail, and we can go to the setting. So you can connect the Wi-Fi, and we can connect with the USB and go to the device and see with the change different language, and we can see about the system with the detail and go back to the home page. So with our CMS software with our CMS software can play the video, picture, or make the split screen, like the picture, video together is also okay. And also with the hardcover here, and we can go to the back here. So you can see this one with the air condition. So you can see the auto and tempered glass. You can see the temper, and also after connect it, close the door.